Chicken dinner in slow cooker. I came across this recipe and I said, why not? Let's give a try. Cut the potato into wedges. Spray your slow cooker. Add your chicken. I cut it like long pieces. Let me show you. Now I'm going to season salt, pepper, chili flakes, that's optional, onion powder, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, paprika. I'm giving a good mix. Now I'm going to season potato and carrots, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, red chili flakes, Italian seasoning. Now cover and cook on high for 4 hours, slow 6 to 7 hours. I found the recipe a bit lacking in flavor, to be honest.